understanding the meaning of swelling. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to explore the word swelling and understand its different meanings and uses in English. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of how to use this word in various contexts. So, let's dive right in. Swelling is a noun that originates from the verb swell, which means to become larger or rounder in size, often due to an accumulation of fluid. When we talk about swelling, we are referring to the condition of being swollen. This can happen in different parts of the body, objects, or even situations. In medical terms, swelling is often used to describe an abnormal enlargement of a body part, caused by the accumulation of fluid or other substances. It can be a result of an injury, infection, or other medical conditions. For example, the patient's ankle showed significant swelling after the sprain. Outside of medical contexts, swelling can be used more broadly to describe an increase in size or volume. For instance, you might hear someone say, "There was a swelling in the crowd as more people arrived at the event." To help solidify your understanding, let's go through a few examples. 1. Medical. The doctor advised to keep the swelling down. It's best to rest and elevate the injured leg. 2. General. With the swelling of the river due to heavy rain, the nearby areas were at risk of flooding. 3. Metaphorical. There was a swelling of pride in her chest as she watched her daughter graduate. And that's pretty much it for the word swelling. We've covered its definitions, its use in medical contexts, general use, and provided some examples. Remember, the key is to understand the context in which the word is used, as it can have different implications. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and understanding. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more English learning content, and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.